Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video we will be discussing about the declaration of row vectors, column vectors and matrices and different tactics to declare the row vector within the Matlab. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also like, share and comment so that you will receive the next video which I will upload in future. So let's move forward. Now how we can declare a scalar value within the Matlab? It's a simple way to declare the scalar value or a value within the Matlab. So we just need to type the variable having the value which will be the scalar value. So let's x be the variable having the value 22. It will be the scalar value. Okay, x containing 22 is printed in the next line. So this was the tactic to declare or to initialize the scalar value. So now let's move forward to discuss how we can declare the row vector within the Matlab. So we just need to write the name of the row vector. For example, R is the name of the row vector and I want to generate the row vector in a sequence from 1 to 10. Then I have to write the initial value which will be 1 to 10. So 10 is the ending point value. So 1 to 10, the sequence of row vector 1 to 10 will be printed on our screen. Now in the next step I will tell you how to print the sequence of values with your predefined distance or with your predefined difference between the previous with respect to the previous value. So in order to declare a row vector with your predefined distance in between the two values, you just have to type the difference value in between the two columns. So let's consider the previous vector R is equal to 1. I have just to describe the difference value. For example, I want from 1 to 10 the values with difference 4. So I have to type the 4 in between the two columns. From 1 to 10, the with difference of 4, the 1 to 10 values will be printed. So this was the second tactic to declare the row vector. So in the next step we will be discussing about the function using linspace function. We will be discussing how to generate the row vector with random values. For example, I want from 1 to 10 the 5 random values. I have to type the command. For example, R is equal to lin space. In braces I have to describe the initial value 1. From 1 to 10 I want 5 random values. So from 1 to 10, 5 random values will be displayed on our screen. So this was another technique to generate a row vector with random values. So let's move forward and discuss about the generation of the column vector. So the generation of column vector is very easiest type of the function or a command through which we can generate a column vector. For example, I want to generate a column vector x. Then x is equal to, in braces I have to describe the initial value. For example, I have to print the column vector. Then I have to put a semicolon between the values which will be which will prove a type of the function which will move the cursor to the next line to print a column vector. So 1 semicolon, 2 semicolon, 3 semicolon, 4 semicolon, 5 semicolon, 6 brace close. You can see that a column vector is generated. So this was another technique to generate a column vector within the Matlab. So after discussing the generation of scalar value initialization, three methods to generate the row vectors and a method to generate a column vector, we will move forward to a little complex thing, how to generate a matrix. How to generate a matrix within the Matlab. This is very interesting topic. So it is very easiest way to generate a matrix within the Matlab. So you just have to type the name of matrix. For example, X matrix is equal to, in square braces, if you want to generate a row, you just need to enter the values 1, 2, 3. Then you just need to type a command semicolon. Then in the next line 4, 5, 6, then semicolon, 7, 8, 9, braces close. You can see that a matrix of 3 cross 3 is printed. So this was a technique to generate a matrix within the Matlab. So in this video we have discussed the generation of the scalar value initialization and the row vectors, 3 techniques, and a column vector generation and a matrix. So in the next video we will discuss about the complicated topics like the different operations, addition, subtraction and multiplication over the matrices, and what will be the behavior of these things with respect to the environment of Matlab, which is providing us to perform the mathematical computations. So thank you so much, keep watching my videos and take care. Allah Hafiz.